Hey resellers, Bill C back here. Resellers Over 50 is the platform, and we help people in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and even in their 80s develop and prosper with their eBay business or Amazon business or whatever e-commerce platform you prefer to use. Today's title is how I earned $300 an hour shopping for my eBay business, and that's in sales. I have purchased 40 new with tags items. Each will sell for over $30 on eBay. 40 times 30 is $1,200, and the total trip is about 4 hours, just under 4 hours. So 4 into that number gives you about $300 an hour, give or take a few bucks. And that productivity is what you're going to want to strive for when you're shopping. You take your time, your driving time and your time on site to figure out what your purchasing power is per hour. And I'd like to drive that up higher, but some of the higher items that I wanted weren't available today. So I got clothing and a couple pairs of shoes. That's pretty good productivity for shopping at one of my primary sources. And I really enjoy that, being able to be that productive. As a senior citizen, we have collectively less time than our much younger counterparts. So every minute, every hour, every day is important, and how we use that towards building our eBay business. So your productivity per hour is very important. The common mistake that I see a lot of resellers make is they never value their time. And as a senior citizen, we understand how precious a commodity time is. So I want to encourage you to be mindful that whatever you do, whatever element of the eBay business that you do, whether it's shopping, shipping, purchasing, accounting, cleaning, prepping, storing, all those things, all that time adds up. And so each minute you take away is something you have to have to account for. And ultimately, you want to be able to calculate your productivity per hour. So this function of purchasing today was very profitable for the business. And, that's just one of the things that you can do to become efficient as a reseller, as a senior citizen. You understand the importance of time. Once you've invested time, you generally can't get it back. You've spent it, and you move on to the next evolution. So good use of your time, effectively buying items for sale that people want to buy and pay you good profit for, is the way that you'll be successful on eBay. This channel is called Resellers Over 50. If this has been helpful to you, please like and subscribe. It will help us to be able to bring you more informative presentations on the e-commerce industry and how to make money from it. And you can DM me at Resellers Over 50 on Instagram, or send me an email, bill@modavende.com, MODAVEND.com, and I'll help as much as I can help. I hope you're having a great selling day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.